Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you guys don't know me, my name is Mark. I'm a Canadian aviation to YouTube content creator as well as a plane spotter and photographer. And welcome back to this video everyone. I really hope everyone's doing well so far. I wish best regards to all my viewers, friends and followers who are watching this video right now. And guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video guys, we're going to be doing a new airport showcase, and this is going to be exciting because the name of this airport showcase that will be mentioned in this video right now, and maybe you should have of course seen it in the title already before you clicked on this video. Today guys, we're going to be doing this airport showcase on Lana's Island International Airport. If you guys haven't not been watching my YouTube channel since I have started this channel, you guys may not really be familiar with this airport name, but for those who have been, I would actually like to tell you guys that I have kept this airport, as well as its name of course, since last year as well as 2019. So yeah. That's actually pretty incredible that this airport gets to return for a third year in a row, and that's pretty impressive because usually many of my other model airports are just built and then they never return again. But this model airport that I have built just right now, it has finally returned for the third year in a row, and I don't know if this is coincidentally, but this was also planned. This was also, maybe let's add coincidentally, this coincidentally has been built at June, and just like last year and the year before, I have started making this same exact airport with the same exact name in the beginning of June, and then I end this airport by taking it apart around the end of August. I don't know if that will be the case this year, because in July, I'm actually planning to make an airport in the United Kingdom, which means I'll be making a European airport for the first time. So hopefully, let's see how that goes. I'm actually planning to get a new model later this month. And maybe I might get also new models next month when it's my birthday. Just to let you know guys, my birthday is on July 4th. But yeah, I'm so excited and grateful that I managed to build this airport again. It is kind of different in terms of how I laid out the terminals, the gates, as well as the terminals for the specific airline or the specific destinations. But one thing that this airport has not changed is that this airport would be a fictional hub for Delta Airlines, which means Delta Airlines would get its own terminal and would get a highly amount of presence in this airport, and it would be the dominant airline in this airport. And also in addition guys, there's going to be a huge variety of international airlines coming into this airport. There's actually a lot of international airlines, speaking of which, that I will be showing to you later in this video, so you better stay tuned because this is about to get very, very interesting. So without further ado guys, let's get into this video. Starting off over here taxiing onto the runway right now, here we have a JetBlue Airbus A320, and this will be heading out to Orlando. And just getting off the runway right now, here we have this Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800, and this just arrived in from Dallas Love Field. And over here taxiing in front of the Southwest aircraft, here we have this Japan Airlines Airbus A350-900, and this just arrived in from Tokyo Narita. We are now moving on to the domestic terminal. And if you can see my finger over here where I'm pointing, we will be moving into the international terminal later on. But we're going to be focusing on a few of the domestic terminals in this international airport. So starting off here, we have this United Airlines Boeing 777-200ER. And this is just arriving from in Chicago. And just sitting at the gate right now, here we have this American Airlines Boeing 777-200ER. And in a few minutes, this will be preparing for its flight to Miami. We are now moving on to the international gates over here. So starting off in the international terminal, we have this Turkish Airlines Boeing 777-200ER. And this just arrived in from Istanbul. And next up, here we have this Aeromexico Boeing 787-8. and this will be heading out to Mexico City soon. Followed by this Copa Airlines Boeing 737-700, and this just arrived in from Panama City. Next up on our list over here we have this Qantas Airbus A330-300, and this just arrived in from a very long flight from Brisbane, Australia, and right now it's getting its bags loaded off. And among one of the new arrivals over here we have this member of One World Cathay Pacific Airbus A340-300, and this just pulled into the gate after landing from Hong Kong. And getting catered and prepared for its international transatlantic flight, here we have this British Airways Boeing 747-400, and this will be heading out to London Heathrow. And here we have the big whale, also known as the Airbus A380, as some aviation enthusiasts like myself personally would call it. But anyways, here we have this Emirates Airbus A380-800, and this will be heading out to Dubai in a few minutes. It's just getting its last bags on board, and it's about to announce its last boarding call. And next to him, here we have this Air Canada Boeing 777-300ER, and this aircraft is just preparing for a service to Toronto. Followed by a transatlantic international arrival with this Alitalia Airbus A330-200, and just arrived in from Rome. And as that transatlantic flight has just arrived, another one will be departing, and the mentioned aircraft will be this KLM Boeing 787-8, which will be heading out to Amsterdam. And finally, for the international gates over here we have this Air France and its legendary supersonic Concorde. And right now it's just getting fueled up. Right now it's about to get the staircase on board the aircraft. And then it's going to load up its passengers, and then this will be heading out for its luxurious transatlantic flight to Paris. And for the final models for today's video, everyone, we got these two models that is sitting at the Delta terminal right now. So on focus right now, here we have this Delta Airlines Boeing 767-300ER, and this just arrived in from Boston. And then the Delta Airlines 757-200 over there, this will be heading out to Cancun. And finally, to conclude today's video, everyone, here we have this Delta Airlines Airbus A330-300, and just arrived in from Shanghai. And that concludes today's video, everyone. I really hope that you like this video. As I wrap up today's video, guys, I also want to mention that when I look in the upload gaps between two videos, when a video comes out, when was the last time I would put them out, I actually just noticed that I'm actually uploading at least one video every week, and I'm thinking, if this is okay for you guys, maybe if I can try to do this method as well as manage my time. I was thinking, I think some other aviation YouTubers do that. For example, I think I've seen Sam Chui do that. So guys, I was thinking that maybe if I can follow up with this method, as of this video, guys, for now, for other videos that are coming up for my YouTube channel, I'm planning to upload at least one part of my content every week. I'm wondering if you guys are okay with that, but I am, because that way it will give me time to record my videos, edit my videos, and then I have to put them into my phone's storage or the computer storage. Then I have to upload it and type it on YouTube. I have to do some things in YouTube Studio, etc, etc. Guys, just to let you know that when I do my YouTube videos, I am not just doing aviation 24/7. I do hang out with some friends, so that can be a distraction from my YouTube channel. Obviously in a good way. I actually do have some friends that sometimes they do distract me from making my YouTube channel. But like I said, they're just my friends, and I'm gonna have to try my best to manage my time. As well as the other factor that does make me upload videos even more slowly is that I have a online school, and online school can make me more tired, which means I could feel less enthusiastic to record these videos and then put them on YouTube. So that's why in the end, guys, I am deciding that for now on, I'm gonna also mention this in the video description and maybe in the pinned comment too, that I will be uploading videos at least only once a week. But that means that I will try to have some time to try to make the best content ever for you guys. I was thinking to make like an analysis video about this incident on board a SpiceJet flight that happened in India and my reaction on that. There was actually a couple getting married on board a Boeing 737-800 with the entire aircraft being on high capacity, and it was breaking COVID-19 rules. That topic will be for another video, guys, but for now, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. Comment what you think. Consider subscribing if you guys are new. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.